Hello, my name is Damian Vázquez and from ISINAC, the acoustic wall. We are here at ISE 2024, and I want to introduce some of the installation ways we offer in here in the ISINAC. One of the ways you can attach our panels to the walls or to the ceiling are a screw like any other panel, but also you have the possibility of using magnets for attaching them to the walls or to the ceiling. That means that you can remove the panels, and you can change the distribution of them. Just in case you want to change the distribution, or you want to paint and you want to clean or whatever. Also, another option it's use the self-adhesive of the panels. So with this self-adhesive, you just remove the tape, and you can just stick it to the walls or to the ceiling, and they will stay there for up to 10 years. And for more information, you can visit isinac.com.